Halifax Harbor Marina offers one of the many free public boat ramps in Daytona Beach, Florida. This boat ramp features many parking and open stalls to launch several boats at one time. You can also tie your boat up while you're removing and putting your trailer in the water. It also has a place to rinse your engine and your trailer before taking your boat home. And if you forget fuel, Halifax Harbor Marina also offers boat fuel. There are public restrooms available 7 days a week. We hope you enjoyed this little video about one of our boat ramps.